Hello students, welcome to my class 9th maths. Today we will discuss some important solved questions for third term exam. Question number 1 is find the coordinates of the midpoint of line joining 2 3. Find the coordinates of the midpoint of line joining 2 3 and 10 7. The solution is here. As we know, midpoint formula is x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. We will put the value of x1, x2 and y1, y2. We will find 2 plus 10 by 2, 3 plus 7 by 2, and on solving this we will get 12 by 2, that will be equal to 6, 10 by 2, that will be equal to 5. So midpoint will be 6, 5. That is the answer. Question number 2 is find the distance between the points 4 minus 3 and minus 1, 2. As you know, distance formula is root under x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. We will put the value of x1, x2, y1, y2, okay, in this formula. We will get minus 1 minus 4 whole square plus 2 minus 3 whole square. On solving this equation, we will get the final value 5 root 2. Question number 3 is solve 2x plus 3y is equal to 11, 3x minus 2y is equal to 4. Multiplying equation 1 by 2 and equation 2 by 3. We will get 4x plus 6y is equal to 22. Here 2x plus 3y is equal to 11. This will be multiplied by 2, and this equation 3x minus 2y is equal to 4 is multiplied by 3. We will get 4x plus 6y is equal to 22 and 9x minus 6y is equal to 12. Adding both equation, we get 13x is equal to 34. 4 and 9, 13, 6 cancelled, 22 and 12 will be 34. So we will find out the value of x. X is equal to 2.615. Substituting the value of x in equation 1. In this equation, we will put the value of x. We will get 2 into 2.615 plus 3y is equal to 11. Because equation 1 is 2x plus 3y is equal to 11. We will only put the value of x. We get here 2 into 2.615 plus 3y is equal to 11. On solving this equation, we will get the value of y. So x is equal to 2.6 and y is equal to 1.923. Question number 4 is the sides of two similar triangles are in the ratio 3:5. Find the ratio of their areas. We know area ratio is equal to side ratio whole square. So side ratio is 3:5. We will put the value of side ratio 3 by 5 whole square. So area ratio will be 9:25. Question number 5 is find the area of a triangle with sides 5 cm, 12 cm and 13 cm. We know the semi perimeter formula. S is equal to 5 plus 12 plus 13 by 2, that will be 15. Area is in terms of semi-perimeter root under S into S minus A, S minus B and S into S minus C. We will put the value of S and A, B, C. We will get root 900. Area is equal to 30 centimeter square. Okay. Question number 6 is find the volume of a cylinder of radius 7 centimeter and height 10 centimeter. We know the formula for volume is pi r square h. Pi value 3.14, r is 7 whole square, 7 r square is equal to 7 whole square into h. We will get the final value 1538.6 centimeter cube. Question number 7 is a cube of side 5 centimeter is melted to form a cuboid of dimension 10 centimeter into 5 centimeter into s centimeter. Find the value of h. Volume of cube is volume of cuboid. So 5 cube will be equal to 10 into 5 into h. h is equal to 125 by 50, that will be 2.5 centimeter. So height will be 2.5 centimeter. Question number 8 is, in triangle ABC, AB is equal to AC and AD perpendicular to BC, D on BC, prove BD is equal to DC in this triangle. Consider triangle ABD and ADC, ACD. In these two triangles, AB is equal to AC given, AD is common to both, so this angle will be equal to this 90 degree, and as AD is perpendicular to BC, so triangle ABD and ACD are congruent by right hand side. RHS, right angle hypotenuse side, congruence. Therefore, corresponding parts BD and DC are equal. BD is equal to DC. Proved. Question number 9 is, find the remainder when y cube plus y square minus 2y plus 5 is divided by y minus 5. We will divide by y minus 5. Y square is multiplied to y minus 5. We get y cube minus 5y square. Then on we cancel 6y square, 6y square. We get the final 28y plus 5. Again, we multiplied by 28. We get 28y minus 140. The remainder is 145. Again, we should evaluate P5. P5, Py, as Py is equal to y cube plus y square minus 2y plus 5. We will put the value of y. P5 is equal to 5 cube plus 5 square minus 2y plus 5. We will get 145. Thus, we find that P5 is the remainder when Py is divided by y minus 5. Question number 10 is, determine whether the following system of linear equation is inconsistent or not. These two equations given here, A1 is equal to 3, A2 is equal to 6, A1 by A2 is equal to 1 by 2, B1 by B2 is equal to minus 5 by 10, minus 10, that is 1 by 2, C1 by C2 is equal to, C1 by C2 is equal to minus 20 by 40, 20 by minus 40, that is minus 1 by 2. So, A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2. Hence, given pair of linear equations are parallel, it is inconsistent. Okay, hope all these questions will be helpful for your third term exam. So, all the best. Thank you.